In this video, I will show you how to download and install Telegram on desktop. So to be able to download or install Telegram on your laptop, you'll need to head over into telegram.org. In here, head over into the apps section, and under this, you'll be able to find all of the available application executable files that you can download for Telegram. Click on Telegram for Windows or Mac. Now, simply in here, click on this Get Telegram for Windows x64. This will allow you to download the executable file of Telegram so that you can install this app into your PC. So head over into your file manager, and then you'll be able to find the executable file here. So to install this completely into your device, simply click on this executable file. So basically, this will allow you to have the Telegram application into your PC or laptop. So once you click on this and try to run this executable file, this will pop on your screen. So you'll need to select your language, set the folder location of your Telegram app, and then set the select start menu folder and the additional tools. And once you click on that install button, you'll be able to start installing the app into your PC or laptop. And that is how you can basically do that. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into the channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.